What's up, guys? Today we're in Niagara, Wisconsin. As you can see the bluffs behind us in the Menominee River. If you remember, we've been here many times and found a lot of bottles, tires, rubber items, rusted metal, all kinds of stuff. Let's get in there and clean it up. First find is a cell phone and a golf ball. There we go. Found a blob top. There's a lot in here.
They see me rolling. Dang, it's heavy. Hey, Flay. Oh, what is that? Perfect bird fight?
What?
It's a seed.
It's a seed, yeah. Some kind of seed.
Yeah, I'm coming out the deep.
Get into the sand eggs. Throw a lure up to you right there. I can also give you a Oconto River Brewing, and we find a lot of these. Another lure and a bottle for you.
Awesome. We loved your displays. So.
Oh, thanks for going to the museum.
Yes. Weston and Noxton. I'm John Stacy.
Well, thanks for coming to see us. And
Yeah,
We're just driving by you. There's the driver's truck. I don't want to bother you.
no, that's fine. Really cool find there. Liquid stove polish. Black cat. I know.
It's like they're everywhere.
All kinds of stuff in here. Light. Round one is complete. Gotta unload all this stuff. Swap up the air tank. Wait for Chris to get back. We'll do it again. I got people floating down the river here, having a good time on the rafts. They're gonna go down and hit the rapids. Hopefully not fall out. All right, all unloaded. Round two. Let's go. There's more up here. Huh? I'm actually really jelly because what'd you find?
An entire tackle box.
And you got a lot of bottles. I got a lot of bottles over there. What's up, guys? Just got done diving in the Menominee River, Niagara, Wisconsin. Check out all the cool stuff that we got today.
Ed, are you sure it's not Niagara, Michigan?
Niagara, Wisconsin. We ended up pulling a lot of litter, an old wheel, a lot of metal.
I really struggled with this guy, and like, you're coming with me whether you like it or not. It took like 3 tries to get that puppy in.
And it was actually on that frame right there.
There was a lot going on here.
Got a couple hubcaps today, some cans, got a lot of bottles. This one here is the FG Kleinco from Burlington, Wisconsin. Got several of these O'Connell Brewing Company. Hires Household Extract, Liquid Stove Polish, New York. Black Hat Polish, Buffalo, New York. The Yacht Club Salad Dressing, Chicago. Some Castoria, a really old Ben Kornberger and Bros from Milwaukee. Listerine, some nice little bottles there. So many other bottles and jars. Bunch of bowls over there.
It's not a dive until we find a hose. And it does what it's told, or it gets the hose.
Got a couple lures today. Christy found the coolest one right here. A lot of these porcelain lids. Right away when we started, first find is a cell phone. Several shoes today, even a sandal. Even found a boot. And Christy, what'd you get there?
This is the first time I ever found an entire tackle box.
And there's stuff still in it.
A little. Nothing really too good, but I wanted to throw that in his face.
She threw it well. And you also pulled a big chain out right there.
That was not light, but that's what I get for Ed throwing me on his shoulders every other day.
Got a lot of broken glass. This stuff is sharp and in the river. Highly suggest if you're out here, do not go barefoot. All in all, it was a wonderful dive. Got a lot of exercise. Actually did 2 trips. We were in there for about an hour and a half. Got a lot of stuff.
It saw a lot of fish. I don't know what they were, but it was fantastic.
They're bass.
A lot of bass.
It was great to be back in Niagara, Wisconsin. Please help keep our waterways clean.